Hi, everybody. Today we're talking to Lenny Madick, who's in charge of camera repair at General Pipe Cleaners. So, Lenny, when somebody has a GMG3, one of the micro cameras, we're on a very small line, let's say 1.25 to 3 inch, and if something happens to the camera head, what do you usually recommend? Do you have to send the whole unit in, or can they just send the camera in?
You can send just the camera in and get replacement for it.
Okay, so when you tell somebody that, do they ever have any questions about how to get the camera head off?
Yes, often.
Okay, well, walk us through the process of what you tell them.
All right, so I tell them, at the base of the camera, at the end of the push rod, there's the silver coupler or cone, and we'll have a set screw in it.
Okay,
so you'll need to use a 1.5 millimeter or 2 millimeter flathead screwdriver and remove this screw. Be very careful. It is very small and it will disappear. And you simply unscrew the collar, and it's fine threaded, so it does take a lot of turns. And you simply unplug the camera.
Okay. And let me see, what's that look like inside there? Looks like there's only one way that will go back together again.
Yep.
Right? Okay. And so if somebody gets a new camera, they send it off for repair, it comes back in the mail, just like new. So they get this and they put that back on the same way you just took it off?
Yep, pretty much. The only thing you need to be careful of there's one post in the center and then 2 screws on either side. The center post and the long screw on the side will match up with the connector on the push rod. The center, and then the long screw goes on the side with the big cutout.
Okay, but it will only go together one way.
Only goes together one way.
Okay, I see. Yeah, it
Push
just goes
together,
right in there.
And you'll turn this collar back on. And again, it is fine thread, so you have to be a little bit careful.
You have to make sure you get it lined up right. Huh?
Yep, and it's nothing to be turning for a while. Just be careful you don't cross thread it. And then once you have it snug, take your screwdriver. And retighten that screw, just snug it down, and that's it.
Okay, great. And then they're good to go, huh?
That's it, ready to go back to work.
Very good. Thank you very much. We appreciate this. If anybody has any other questions, you can call 800-245-6200. Talk to the Drain Brains or go on our website, drainbrain.com. Lenny, thanks a lot.
No problem.
Appreciate your help.
Yep.